welcome back. My name is RJ.
And I'm Olina.
Today we're making Eloah special spaghetti. Please welcome our special guest, Eloah.
Hi.
Hi Eloah, ready to make your special spaghetti?
Yes.
Let's get started.
Okay.
First, pull out this thing. Then get a pot, make sure there's water in it. Turn on max. Okay, now it's heating.
Now you get the spaghetti.
But we gotta wait until it bubbles.
Okay. It's just starting to bubble.
So because this is taking a long time, I'm gonna move it to the stove over there. First, need mittens.
Oh my god.
You turn it on high.
Turn it all the way up to high.
Yeah.
That's what we usually do. Now, we're gonna cook some meat. Hey, you watch your spaghetti.
Put it on 3.
Careful.
Put the oil in, put it on 3.
1, 2, 3. Do you like to dump the oil?
No, keep it for you. Keep that for you, but thank you.
Now, time for the meat. Would you like to pour it in?
No, just do the meat, but thank you. Yes.
Is that good? Uh-huh.
Very good. Here we go again, the peppers and onions for me. Want that pizza. Uh-oh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready to put the meat in the bowl.
It's burning.
I don't think it's ready yet.
I'm gonna put it.
Anyways.
Meat's already done.
The dead help.
It's a bubble bath in there.
Look. Look. Wait, don't. Stop making a bubble bath over there. Sounds like the spaghetti's ready.
Looks like it's a no.
Does it look like it's ready too?
Yeah, but where should we put this? So much steam.
The only thing I can see is
Stop blowing in my nose.
you can just.
I don't know if it's even ready. Do you think it's ready?
Yeah, it looks ready.
Fine. Oh, hurry. Oh. You want to take a bite of it?
I'll taste it.
The spaghetti.
The longest spaghetti in the world.
Is it ready?
No, still a little hard.
Okay, so let me keep stirring. Okay, thank you.
Is it done?
Okay, take it.
Put it right here. It's really hot.
Wait, don't.
What do you think? Ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, good.
Okie dokie, let's get the mittens. That's hard. Sure, it's fine.
Well, I like dump it in. Is that everything?
That's the spaghetti. Now,
Eloah needs to get his spaghetti.
and then the guest that's helping us gets to eat it.
Yay.
And the mystery person. Ah, that's a lot of spaghetti. Should we make one for the mystery person that came to help? Oh, it's still hot. Okay, that's enough. What are you trying to make, an ocean of spaghetti?
Excuse me.
Don't forget the final ingredients.
What?
The chutney.
Oh, thank you. The pineapple chutney.
Actually, nobody can see it. Two.
Definitely gotta clean it up.
Can you go to that side?
Alright. Now we gotta add the onions. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, Eloah.
Sorry, it was an accident. Sorry, that was my fault.
Now you gotta put extra chutney.
Uh-oh.
Double the chutney. You gotta put 4 scoops of pineapple chutney.
Or just dump all that on there.
Oh my god.
Good.
Onions. That thing just fell by accident. That was way funny. Well, only
What
onion.
are you eating?
Now peppers and onion.
Do you
No,
need your own
peppers.
bowl?
Red
You want
and
your own
green
bowl?
peppers.
No. Green peppers and red peppers.
Thank you.
And then, oh. Now, I think 2 scoops
Even the meat.
taco meat. Two, 3.
Now, pineapple chutney.
If you want to know more about pineapple chutney, you can actually get some at www.feedmechutney.com.
It just happened again. Sorry about that. Okay.
Thank you, Eloah, for coming today.
You're welcome.
And eat it, eat it, eat it.
Okay.
Eat it.
Okay, I'll try. And this might be good.
You're trying to catch that pineapple?
Yeah, I'm trying to catch on. Excuse me, don't laugh.
I can't even see it.
Good.
What? Oh, I missed the first bite.
I'm sorry, RJ.
Thank you, Eloah, for coming out today, and thank you for showing us your special recipe.
You're welcome. I didn't mean to. The first bite, RJ. Sorry.
Well, anyways, like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. And thank you for Eloah coming today. And make sure you buy some pineapple chutney the next time you have your spaghetti. With King Eddie.
King Eddie from Super Y. RJ.
What are you eating now?
I know.
King Eddie who loves spaghetti.
You're funny.